Hurricane watch in effect. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a hurricane watch. Winds. As Major Hurricane Matthew moves closer, the threat for sustained high winds is likely to increase. The latest forecast is for strong tropical force winds from late Wednesday overnight or early Thursday morning. Hurricane force winds will be possible from late Thursday afternoon into Friday. Wave seas will likely begin to increase as early as Wednesday afternoon and peak Thursday night and Friday to 25 to 30 feet offshore. Mariners are advised to return to port by Wednesday afternoon and make all preparations to secure their vessels. A hurricane watch is issued when sustained winds of 64 knots or 74 miles per hour or higher associated with a hurricane are possible within 48 hours.